Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shreya. I am posting here after a month. It feels so good to be back. Today we are making some wall hangings using ice cream sticks which are so easily available and are supremely cheap. You can get it from any stationery shop. It comes in a pack like this and there is a high chance that a lot of them will be a little crooked like this one. So please don't use them. यहाँ मैंने एक रफ शीट ली है and I have drawn a hexagon shape on it. Please always use the drawing for your reference because it will kind of help to keep all your hexagons that we are going to make now look identical. एक बार जब एक hexagon बन जाएगा, I will use it as a reference, basically using it as a center, and I will make more hexagons around this one. So here you can see on the screen how I am making the rest of the hexagons. It's pretty self-explanatory. So this is the shape we get once we are done with all the hexagons. Then I made the exact same thing again. So basically I am making a replica here. I took them both to my balcony to spray paint them. I used this gold spray paint which I absolutely love. It's from Itsy Bitsy. I spray painted both of them with this color and I left them for drying. I also took these two ice cream sticks and spray painted them as well. You'll see in a minute why I'm doing that. So once they are dried, this is how they look. Now is the time to just arrange them and glue them like this. It will form a beautiful shape. I also recommend you to use a strong adhesive. Don't use regular Fevicol if you want your wall hanging to last for long. I'm using these two ice cream sticks that we spray painted and gluing them right in the middle like this. I had this peel and stick mirror which I got from Amazon. I have used it in multiple DIYs. I think it's something good to keep in your collection. I have linked it down below for you guys. Also, if you don't have a mirror or you do not want to buy a mirror for this, you can also stick a photo print in the center. Just removing the peel from the mirror and we are done. It can be a great centerpiece, maybe on a wall above your couch, and it literally is so easy to make and is so cheap. Let's move to our next DIY. Well, this might be my favorite. So I started out with arranging the ice cream sticks like this. Once I got my desired shape, I made like 3 of them in total. This is going to be a small one, although you can most definitely make this in a larger size. Here I'm just gluing all these shapes together to create one single piece. While it was all drying up, I created tassels in yellow color. You can choose any color of your choice, of course. Here I was just trying to figure out which configuration I liked the best. I ended up using 5 tassels in total. This is the configuration I finally decided to go for. I knotted one of the tassels with the thread and I kind of hung it in the center like this. For rest of the tassels, I simply used the glue and बस उसको चिपका दिया in its proper place, and that's about it. I think that this would look great somewhere in between a gallery of pictures because it's a small one, but you can also make a big one, as I said, and use it as a single piece. For the last DIY, I started with making a square shape with ice cream sticks. I repeated this process to make more. I made total of 12 squares. Once they were all dried out, it was time to arrange them. I loved this arrangement the best, so I glued them all together and left it for drying. According to the wall you are going to hang it on, you can go for any arrangements for these squares. Once it was all dried up, I took it to my balcony and spray painted it in the same gold color. And that is all for this one. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.